A look at how we leverage Blackboard Collaborate without having to download the Blackboard Collaborate software each and every time we go to run it. So the challenge might be if you're using this on a computer that is reset through a deep freeze program each night, the Blackboard software is difficult for an IT department to put on there. So here's what I do each time I go into class. As you can see, I'm in a Blackboard class here, and I've installed the Blackboard Collaborate Scheduler Monitor. I've renamed it just to make it easier for my students to find the supporting materials for my class. Now, if you notice when we come in here, we have 3 different things. I can create and schedule sessions, which I don't tend to do. I have a virtual room. You could think of this as your virtual office. So you could literally open that up and hold virtual office hours for your students in this Blackboard course, and then join room. So I'm going to just simply click on join room and click on join room again. Now, you might get the opportunity here to download the Blackboard Collaborate launcher. See it down here? So it might bring you up to that initially. And what I do is I just let it download, but I don't instantiate it. I just continue to click OK until I get to this part here. And at this part, what I'm going to do is save the key file that I need, this collab file, and then change the file extension. So I'll say OK, and by default, that's going to be placed in your downloads folder. I'm going to open up the folder location for that, and as you can see, I have that collab file there. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one so that there's no confusion, and there is the collab file. Now what I want to do is I simply want to right click on this file and choose rename, and I'm going to change this .collab to JNLP. And what that's going to do is it's going to instantiate this into the Java runtime environment. So from there, I just double click as if it was an executable, and it'll start Java. It's going to run through some iterations real quick. It's going to start the Blackboard application here. That's what we see happening. And then at that point, it's going to take us to Blackboard Collaborate. Now, I have not installed the Blackboard Collaborate software. I'm going to choose accept, and I'm going to just choose these defaults, cable and DSL, and it's going to open up the Blackboard Collaborate for me. Now at this point, remember that we need to start by turning on the microphone here. Okay, I'm currently using it to record this video, so I won't turn it on. And then I need to come in here and I'll say okay, and I need to share my screen. And normally I just share the entire desktop and say share. So now it's sharing the entire desktop as it says there, and I'm ready to hit this start record button. So what I tend to do when teaching classes is I'll take this Blackboard and move it over here. As students join in, I can see what students are joining in remotely. They can chat with me here. If they have a webcam and a microphone, they can communicate live and in real time with the students. I can mute their microphones, I can turn them on, I can do the same things for me. So the biggest thing is remember to start that recording when you start your class, and you'll be ready to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through YouTube. Take care.